How to enable the color filter settings. This is the Galaxy A55 smartphone, and not every Samsung phone has the color filter feature, just so you know. To find the color filter on your Galaxy A55 5G model phone, you'll use the quick panel access, tap on the settings here one time, and once you do that, you can use the search option and type in the words color filter. Go ahead and type that in. As you do that, you will see the suggestion. It is part of the accessibility settings, and you can go ahead and tap on that once. So once you're here now, you'll see it's going to flash as to where to go next, which is right there, color filter. Once you're in there now, you can turn it on and you can choose the different colors. So if you want something red, orange, maybe green filter, and I'm sure not everyone will need this, but for those of us who's been looking for it or need to use this here, that's where you would go to do it. Now, another cool thing you can do is enable a shortcut here. You can also adjust the transparency of it. Okay, so if you want it more darker or the transparency increase, you can adjust it here. The shortcut, when you turn it on here, you will notice this will show up for you at first, and you can have that little icon to the bottom here, or you can make use of the volume keys. And maybe you might have the volume keys enabled and you want to turn that off. That's where you would go. Okay, so you can just simply untoggle them or leave them toggled if you want them on. Okay, you can also tap here to get a different way as to how to actually add the floating icon. Okay, so you can go to the floating one if you want to. So once you're done with that, once the shortcut is enabled, you have to make sure you select one of these so that it can be shown there. Okay, so now let's just say, let me show you this here quickly. If I turn this off, the filter is off, right? And then maybe I'm somewhere else and I want to turn it on. I can tap here and it'll turn it on for me one time, and I'll do that again. Okay, and you can just come back to the color filter later on if you don't like the shortcut, turn it off, and you're good to go. Like I said,